Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I am making a very simple and easy okra soup using frozen okra and spinach. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you.
For the protein, I am using goat meat and pork hocks. You can use any protein of your choice. So I added stockfish, maggi cubes, salt, onions, and I'm going to mix everything to combine them together. I will cover this for at least 15 minutes without adding any water to it. I will go in with water and I will let this cook until the meats are tender. While the meat is cooking, I am going to go ahead and blend 4 scotch bonnet peppers. Now the meat is done and it is tender. I am going to add dry fish, red oil, scotch bonnet peppers, locust beans, crayfish, onions, maggi cubes, salt. I will combine everything together and let this cook for about 20 minutes. At this time, I'll be adding the frozen okra and the frozen spinach. I am going to combine everything together. I will let this cook on a low heat for 15 minutes, but I will stir this in between so that the ones underneath at the bottom will not get softer than the rest of them. So make sure that you are stirring this in between those times. And the okra soup is ready. It is done. You can definitely enjoy this soup the way it is, or you can enjoy this with your favorite swallow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share the video, like, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.